Well, hey y'all. How's everybody doing? Well, I hope you are seeing these spring giveaways. That's always exciting, isn't it? And everything else. I am going to put on, this little thing does not want to move near me. Oh, there's a ring blocking it. Oh, and there's a bracelet bar blocking that. I have so many things on my desk besides what's supposed to be there. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all, there is too much stuff. Okay. So let me put my computer crashed too, y'all. Not good news. All right, so I am going to, remember when I got some new lipsticks? Oh, by the way, look at this shirt. It is so cute. You're not going to be able to see it all. It's like navy pink. And then see this matte Madras kind of plaid? It's all on the bottom. But these are so long sleeves to get it up in size for my belly. Y'all, it's like all the way down to past my hands. So you can't even see my bracelets. I don't know why I put them on. Now that it's kind of pushed back, you can. Maybe I'll just push them back. Anyway. So because of pink, remember the other day I bought 2 new Chanel's, these right here. And this is my Soft Rose, which I always go back to no matter what. It's the best. But I decided I'm going to use my new one. So I'm going to use the new pink one, and it is called Extremely Pink. Now these are Chanel lipsticks, but they're called Lip Intense, I believe. And it says all day, but I would say this lasts a good 4 to 6 hours on your lips. And it doesn't transfer. Typically it doesn't transfer. And certainly not a lot. Maybe there's a hint of something on a cup if you really like kiss the cup, you know, that sort of thing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put my lips on and see. It says it's really pink. Now here's the thing. You can put it on a shade and then kind of just smooth it out with your lips naturally like this. And that also thins the color out. I've noticed that my lips are not even, is why they're never even when I paint them. This is a little splotchy, which is not typical at all of Chanel, but this is almost like a neon. So I don't know. I don't know if that's why. I never come down low enough on that side, because it always looks awkward to me. But when I look on film, it's like, well, but you're always off. So in real life, it looks off. And if I do it normal, in film life, it looks off. See, it looks off to me. It's hard to tell. Like we said yesterday, it's sort of like, this is a little splotchy, and I think it's because it's such a creamy pink. Maybe it's because it hasn't been stirred enough, I don't know. But I don't want to keep adding color, because it's going to get brighter and brighter, and I don't want to get brighter. So I'm just going to blot it more, and add the lip gloss. And the lip gloss is a really high sheen gloss, eye gloss. Very shiny. And, did you notice when I went like that, it set it. It's not moving. It's moisturizing, it's shiny, and it sets the product. And I just love Chanel. No matter what, I always come back to Chanel. So we'll see. I'll keep that one in my purse today. And I am going to go ahead again. I've got my nice little makeup towel. Is this the one that says makeup? No, this is just a regular Wamsetta. Wamsetta? Yeah, Wamsetta. That's the brand. You can get it at Bed Bath & Beyond is where I got this. But anyway, because they have decent towels. I like their towels. But anyway, I always keep a black towel below here, what you don't see, to wipe my hands off if I do a boo-boo or something like that. So today, I've been using the Too Faced Naturalized because it was in spring giveaway number 2. And I do absolutely adore the packaging. I think it's so pretty. I love the blush color, the blush lace, the metal look. which I think it is either hard plastic or metal. Kind of feels like it. And then it's got a little heart closure, which I think is very pretty. It's got a very nice size mirror and beautiful colors. I just not crazy about the names, but I have used it in a couple of tutorials lately, so I thought I would go back to the one I almost got, but y'all, I can't find it. So if you can get it online, you better go ahead and get it. I'm getting my bangs out of my face. And that is the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons. Out of the Too Faced palettes, I think this is one of my absolute favorite. It doesn't smell like chocolate that much anymore. Anyway, I'm going to be using both of these palettes today, and I'll tell you why. I do want a pink look. And so I think I'm going to use, for my highlight, I'm going to use this Silk Teddy pink shimmer. And a blend of that and Satin Sheets right here. And then I may use Totally Fetch and Cotton Candy. So we'll just see what I'm going to do. I don't know. Sometimes I can be crazy. I do think I want their Shadow Insurance on before I put product down. Because it does help. And I'm just going to put just like a little bitty bit. And this is from one of the samples when I got one of those little holiday kits or something. Y'all, I need my nails done so bad. I've decided I'm going to have to go back to having them done. My nails, or my fingertips are getting really beat up. It's just, it's weird how much having false nails, for all that people say it's bad for you, it's also, I feel like in some ways, my nails were healthier. Except for when they got, I think what happened is the glue that they put the tips on with, and the combination of that and I'm going down to past the tear duct, and I'm going underneath as well, because this just helps the product go on smoothly, and it also helps it stay on all day. But anyway, and then I'm wiping it off with my little towel, and then I'm going to pat it, because that just takes off any excess. You don't want buildup of this product. That's not the point of it. The point of it is to get a little bit tacky and get a smooth surface, and to cover, you know, there's a little bit of color to it. Cover veins and things like that. I don't know that it did. Anyway, I also had put on my liner in advance, because one of the things I like to do if I'm going to do a soft liner is have it kind of look in the background. So I put it on first, and then when the shadow goes over, it kind of covers it up, but it's slightly there. It's sort of like the same thing as putting it on and smudging it out to where it's only slightly there. So you could do it both ways. Alright, so I'm going to take a little of the Silk Teddy and a little of the Satin Sheets. And they're just two different shades of kind of shimmer pinks. And put that under the brow. Go a little past the brow. Satin Sheets, Silk Teddy. Tap it off real good. And this just gives kind of a pink champagne look to go with all the pink I've got on. Then I'm also going to take Sprinkles, which is a pink. But it's more of like a true pink, and I'm going to go right under that, just to kind of like a transition color. Only it's not really a transition color, but it's just going to kind of pink it out a little bit. It's kind of like a peach cream. That's what it looks like to me when you put it on. So when you first put it on, it has a pink, but almost like a peachy cream color to it as you blend it. I'm just kind of getting that darker color from your eyes. Go, bye-bye. And then I'm going to come back over this with probably Silk Teddy for my tear ducts. Inner corner. Right there, because it's shiny. You know, I want a real shiny color right there. Go over the lid once. And this is the Silk Teddy by itself. And then I'm doing that over here, same thing. There. And that just gives it kind of a pop on the inner part of the eye. There. Blend that out. Okay. Some of that just somehow got on my lip and it tasted like sugar. Weird. Okay, so now I need a transition color. And I don't really want to use any, because that's a warm tone over there, of the Naturalized. So I'm going to stick over here with this. This is a very cool palette. Very cool tones. And so I'm probably going to go with this Cafe au lait. I could go with cashew, but I'm going to go with Cafe au lait. Because I'm going to actually use a pink color today. But I do want a little more of a transition of brown in there. Just a little bit, because remember we already did kind of a look between the brow and the crease with the sprinkle color, and I do want to keep that. I don't want to blend that away, so be careful when you're blending. Go ahead and blend now, because you don't want to blend those colors together. You do not want to. Okay, this is just to give the shadow. Twice I saw something come up. I wonder what that was. I wonder if that was a shadow insurance. I wonder if it's old. Anyway, and now I'm going to use a all over blending brush. No, I'm not going to use that. So take that completely back. Buff and blend. No, thank you. I want a tapered blending brush. Small tapered blending brush, E45. These are Sigma brushes. I like other brushes, but I always come back to Sigma. And believe it or not, I'm going to use a blend of Totally French, which is a hot pink right here, and Cotton Candy, which is a lighter pink, not as hot. And I'm going in the crease with that. And I'm going to let it come down to the lid a little if it wants to. Just a hint of pink, because once I'm putting it on top of the brown that was in the crease because of the transition color. And but I'm letting it, I'm doing this at an angle so that it goes to the crease, but it's also hitting the lid a little bit. See that? So I'm getting that pink color. May intensify it. I think I might. Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, I think I am going to do that. Intensify that pink. And so I'm just painting into it instead of rolling it this time. And I'm going straight flat. Almost like it was